Lorain County JVS is celebrating Manufacturing Month, along with members of the Lorain County Growth Partnership. The month of October began with the kickoff at Rydell in North Ridgeville with presentations, remarks, and a tour of the facility.
We are very lucky here in Lorain County because of JVS and because of Lorain County Community College. The more we continue to talk about the workforce and the more we focus on the workforce, I think the better off we're going to be.
So manufacturing has always been very important to me, and being able to put your hands on something and say that you've produced this. A really hard-working, educated in a lot of different backgrounds kind of type student, they're already a step ahead of that.
As part of Manufacturing Month, local business leaders shared wisdom about the manufacturing industry with JVS students during a series of panel discussions. Students also got an opportunity to ask questions.
After this panel discussion, I hope the students got a better understanding of manufacturing and all the opportunities that are available.
Reaching our youngest learners is also an important part of Manufacturing Month. At the Ranger High Tech Academy in North Ridgeville, students in grades 5 through 8 got an opportunity to hear, see, and explore different aspects of the manufacturing industry during breakout sessions.
Great opportunity to share with elementary school students up through 8th grade the importance of manufacturing here in our community. We're always excited to present information. We have some businesses here today. We're going to share information, hands-on experience with the students, and we're hoping that they're going to take away that manufacturing is a great career to consider.
JVS students in manufacturing programs also participated in the sessions with demonstrations and other activities with the hopes of attracting the younger students to one day enroll at JVS.
I think I'd like to share about the Precision Machining Lab is that it's not just slapping 2 and 2 together. There's a lot of math and problem-solving skills that are involved in this.
It's not just math. You also have that creative side. You aren't just fixing something that already exists. You're creating something new that is your original thought. And that to me is just something that is so important.
So I hope the students are really going to gain manufacturing in a whole, and also how engineering works. A lot of engineering fields or engineering places that I've gone to have shown us that electrical engineering, welding engineering, a lot of those are skyrocketing and they're in demand right now. So if we introduce that, the more we can get kids into it and the more we can set up careers for them.
Students from Ranger High Tech Academy got an opportunity to see science, technology, engineering, and math taking place at Lorain County JVS during a tour of the campus and hear about the various programs offered at JVS. Lorain County JVS, celebrating Manufacturing Month 2018.